Hello guys, for this video naman is mag-solve naman tayo ng ln problem, logarithmic natural problem. And this problem is from James Stewart, Calculus Early Transcendentals, 7th edition, page 433 and 39. Hanapin nyo na lang. So, para masolve ang problem na ito is, need pa rin natin mag-let you. Kailangan natin mag-let you. So, let you ang let natin dito is ang denominator, which is x squared plus 2x plus 5. So, hanap natin ang ating du. Du is equals to, ang derivative ng x squared is 2x at ang derivative naman ng 2x is 2 plus 2 dx. So dx naman tayo, so dx is equals to du over 2x plus 2. So, with this, pwede natin mag-substitute sa ating problem. Integral of x plus 4 over u, kasi nag-let u tayo, times dx. Ang dx natin is du over du over 2x 2 plus 2. Para makuha ito is simply cancel. Ito is, this problem is equals to 4 du over u. So, para makuha ito is ang du, ang integral of du over u is equals to sa ln absolute value ng u plus c. So this is equals to 4 and absolute value ng u plus c. So, hindi pa ito ang final answer natin kasi kailangan pa natin i-substitute ang u sa original form niya. So, 4 ln So very nice is x squared plus 2x plus 5 plus c. So this will be our final answer for ln x squared plus 2x plus 5 plus c. So thank you.